Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making spicy chicken and prawns noodles or spaghetti. So let's get right into our ingredients. We're going to be needing some ground chicken, some prawns, some green chili and Scotch bonnet. It just depends on your taste, so you have to reduce that. Depends on how spicy you want it. Some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and some fish sauce. I'm going to be putting the measurement in the description box below. And some garlic Italian seasoning, garlic and herb seasoning, some onions, chicken stock, and some salt. We'll start by boiling some hot water, salted water for the spaghetti. While that boils, let's prep our vegetables. So I'm going to start with the onions. I'm just going to dice it up, and then you can cut your onions whichever shape that you want, but it's just easier to dice it so it doesn't get chunky. Some people just don't like chunky onions. Yeah, so after prepping the onions, we're going to pound the garlic and chilies together, and then season the prawns with the Italian seasoning. And then we go back to our water, and you see that it's boiling. We just put the spaghetti in, and then just try and separate it so it doesn't stick. You don't need to put oil in your hot water because it doesn't make any difference. When the spaghetti is ready, you can just immediately bring it out and pop it into your stir fry mix, because that's what we're going to be doing right now. So put some oil, fry the prawns. We'll fry the prawns for some few minutes because we don't want to overcook it. After 3 minutes, we take out the prawns, set aside. We use the same pan for our chicken. Fry the chicken for some few minutes. Let that cook down. Mix it all up. And then we add our chili and garlic paste and stir that up together. Yeah, you can reduce the amount of chili you use because this was actually really spicy. So just mix that together. And then we go in with our onions. We let the onions cook down because we want all that good flavor in this mix. So stir the onions before adding our chicken stock. Yeah, add the chicken stock, stir that in. Good stirring, allow that to cook in. Yes. At this stage, the prawn goes back into the mix. We stir that up together, and now comes the sauces. Start with the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, and the fish sauce. The measurements are all going to be in the description box below, so watch out for that, guys. Then mix all that up together. And we go check on our spaghetti, which will be ready by now. We just drain it out and pop it into our stir fry mix, and just stir it all up together. Just mix it in. Just let all that sauce, good sauce, get into the spaghetti. Mix it in. If your spaghetti is too dry, you can just add a little of the pasta water, or just let it be like that. So quick and easy prawn and chicken spaghetti. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and cook it for your family.